used to dress up. You used to. You used to dress up in a costume. Late out when you need candy. Dress up in a costume. Late out when you need candy. I know when that doorbell ring, that can only mean one thing. I know when that doorbell ring, that can only mean one thing. Ever since you left my doorstep, you got a reputation for your costume. Dress up like a princess from a cartoon. Going door to door, will you come back soon? Ever since you left my doorstep, you trick-or-treating all up in this place. Getting all the candy in your pillowcase. Snickers, Reese's Pieces all up in your face. You used to dress up in a costume. Late night when you need candy. Dress up in a costume. Late night when you need candy. I know when that doorbell ring, that can only mean one thing. I know when that doorbell ring, that can only mean one thing. Ever since you left my doorstep, you